Hey y'all, I'll bring you a little footage here from the top of Mini Lay there. Love this song. I don't know why these mega church worship bands need to make albums and become millionaires, but like the music, I don't know. I just don't agree with them touring and all that kind of thing. That's not what it's supposed to be about. But here we go. Better than you. If this wasn't my fiberglass, brand new, by the way, fiberglass only roller, I'd be dunking it right in there. But it's crazy. I've had one of these things, I'm not lying, for probably 25 years, man. I kept washing it and cleaning it and cleaning it. They cost like $3, man. You know? Boom, 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 boom.
Can you pass me another Christmas song?
Of course. Plenty for everyone.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. From Kayla.
Christmas is music and family in town. Christmas is Snoopy and Charlie Brown.
Well, I'm glad John didn't talk me into trying to cover this thing. Just all these compound. Wow, would that have been? I mean, mine was tough enough. It isn't. It doesn't come all the way up around you like this. It's deep like this. But that fleece only really likes to stretch in one direction, so it's not real easy to work with. But so that's the idea, folks. We're gonna roll it on and let it sit and tack up a bit, and then we'll put some more on and put some more on until we just like what it looks like. With it being cold, I know it's probably going to take longer for this stuff to cure up. We might have to get the hair dryers out or blow the heat on it, or I don't know. We don't want the heat; it's probably too hot. But just get it good and warm, you know, in here. And I've been running the guts out of the heater. It's about 50 degrees in here, halfway up the wall there. My feet aren't freezing, but and it doesn't feel real cold outside. But it says to apply this stuff between 68 and 90 degrees. Well, it's nowhere near that warm. We're just going to do the best we can. If it's not ready to go in a box tomorrow and take to the UPS store to get it off of John, then I'm going to have to call John, tell him it's going to have to wait another day, you know, or whatever. But we'll do what we can. Man, this thing looks cool. Hang in there, y'all. We'll bring you back when we're done.